Okay, we're going to try an experiment together. You've heard the claim that love and money don't mix. So I thought we would put that to the test. And so as you can see, I have 4 hearts and 4 diamonds. And they're thoroughly mixed among each other. So what we're going to do together is we're going to just continue to randomize these cards since the two of us have seen the current order of the packet. And we would like to see if the universe communicates to us that this idiom is indeed true. Okay, so let's begin mixing these. Now, if you were here, you would make all of the important choices. But since you're not, I'm going to have to just kind of randomly guess what you might say. But rest assured, if you were here, you could make all of the choices for mixing this. Okay, great. So I thought we'd begin with a left-right dealing of the cards. How would you like these stacked? Left on right or left on right? Okay, very good. Would you like to do any more of those? One more, okay. How would you like it stacked this time? Left on right again, okay. Very, very good. Why don't we go ahead and deal into 4 piles. I just really want these mixed beyond the knowledge of both of us here, you watching from afar and me here witnessing this live. How would you like these stacked? Left to right or right to left? Right to left. Okay. Okay, very good. Why don't we do another one of those? This time, how would you like those stacked? Left to right. Okay, very good. Why don't we do something kind of fun here? I'm going to deal out into 4 piles. And we'll go ahead and either stack the top row on top of the bottom or vice versa. How would you like these stacked? Bottom on the top? Okay, very good. And then left on right or right on left? Right on left. Okay, very, very good. Okay, now I don't know if you've heard of the Australian Down Under, but this is a powerful shuffle for just destroying any ordering of a packet of cards. Okay, so let me just show it to you and then you can tell me how many of these you'd like us to perform. So you go down, under, down, under, down, under, down, under, down, under, down, under, down. Last one goes on top. Would you like to do any more of those? My little piece of paper is sliding here. You would. One more. Okay. Are you sure? Okay. Down, under, down, under, down, under, down, under, down, under, down, under, down. Last one goes on top. Okay. Very good. Why don't we also do a Klondike shuffle, because it mixes the cards in a way that none of the other ones so far do. And this is kind of a nice one to learn. This is where you take the top and bottom cards off as one, and then you just stack them. Okay, so it's kind of a fun one to do. Okay, so that's called the Klondike shuffle. Would you like any more of those? No. Okay. And then why don't we also do something called a mange shuffle? It's a fun one to learn. It comes in 2 varieties, over under and under over. Which would you like? Under over? Okay, so you push the top card into your other hand. This next top card goes under, and then over, under, over, under, over, under. Okay. Well, I think these cards are beyond the knowledge of anyone. Would you like to do any additional mixing that we haven't done yet? You would? Okay. Let's see. We could do an up jog. That's a classic one. So this is where, like an even up jog, you push forward the even position cards. Kind of a fun one to do. And then you strip those out, random stack. How would you like these stacked? Left on right? Okay. Well, I think you would have to agree that no one would be able to track even one of the cards that we saw at the beginning, let alone all 8 cards. There is no way on this green earth anyone could do that. Okay. So let's go ahead and just kind of deal the cards out. And so we're going to find out whether or not it is true that love and money don't mix. Okay, so we'll just kind of stack these. Now, how will we know if love and money don't mix? Well, I would think that the cards, after all of this mixing, if love and money don't mix, they probably would have separated themselves in half, right? So where one half, this was the bottom half, would be all the diamonds, let's say, and there they are. And the other half would be all the hearts. Okay, so indeed it looks like love and money just don't mix very well. Okay, so that is a fun little routine using Bessey sequences of order 8. Okay, so let's explain some of this.